Locked out of your iPhone? Yes, you can unlock it without a passcode or Face ID. Here are 6 easy methods. Way 1. How to unlock iPhone without passcode or Face ID via iOS Unlock. No limits. Use a trusted tool like iOS Unlock. It can remove screen locks, iCloud or activation locks, MDM, and SIM locks on iPhones, including iPhone 14, to regain access quickly and reliably. A step-by-step guide on how to unlock an iPhone without the password or Face ID via iOS Unlock. Step 1. Launch iOS Unlock and pick Screen Unlock. Start by launching iOS Unlock on your computer. After the free download and installation, choose the Screen Unlock option from the modules available. Step 2. Plug your iPhone into the computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Wait for the program to detect your device. Next, click Unlock iOS Screen to initiate the unlocking process. Step 3. Boot your iPhone into recovery or DFU mode. You might need to follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode or DFU mode. Step 4. Get the firmware package for your iPhone. Once your iPhone is in the proper mode, ensure the displayed device model and system version are correct. If not, manually make the necessary changes. Then, click Download to obtain the appropriate firmware package for your iPhone. Step 5. Unlock iPhone without passcode or Face ID. After the firmware package has been downloaded and installed successfully, click Unlock Now to start unlocking your iPhone without any prerequisite. Wait for a few minutes while the unlocking process takes place. Once completed, your iPhone will be unlocked, allowing you to access it as usual. Way 2. How to unlock iPhone without Face ID or passcode via Security Lockout. iOS 15.2 or higher. Enter a wrong passcode 5 times until iPhone is unavailable appears. Tap Erase iPhone and confirm. Enter your Apple ID to log out. Wait for all data to be erased, then set up your iPhone as new. Way 3. How to unlock iPhone without password or Face ID with Find My app. Open Find My on another iPhone and sign in with your Apple ID. Select your locked device on the map and choose Erase iPhone. After erasing, set up the iPhone and restore from iCloud backup if available. Way 4. How to unlock iPhone without passcode or Face ID via iCloud.com. Go to iCloud.com and sign in. Click All Devices. Select your unavailable iPhone and choose Erase iPhone. Way 5. How to bypass iPhone Face ID and passcode via iTunes. Connect your iPhone to a computer and open iTunes. Click the device icon, then Restore. Confirm to erase data and restore factory settings. Way 6. How to open iPhone without passcode or Face ID by Apple Support. Contact Apple Support with proof of ownership. Verify your identity and follow their instructions, which may include restoring or updating your iPhone via iTunes or Finder. Additional tip: how to configure Face ID with mask on iPhone iOS 15.4 or newer. Open Settings, Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode, enable Face ID with mask, and follow prompts. You can now unlock your iPhone while wearing a mask.